So now we learn how to teach a program. This is we do the about wearing touch. We let the touch go here, and let the touch not move, only move the X size go here. Then you return. How do we do it? We first create a new program. We choose here. Then we can here create a program name. We choose the 10 test 10 and press OK. Then choose the create. Here is create, right? Create a new program. Okay. We first because you can see the here test 10. The new program create a success. We first report the noise. You can see the here. We can do the joint. Do the joint and J1, J2, J3, and the U, right? At the zero. Now we test. We teach a point at the home. We choose the record. Then choose the fast. Choose the here. Then we let the wedding touch go product about the up a little. We do it. We move the X. Okay. 可以同时移的，来 Y， 有个 Y， 再下来一点，好。We now do the here. We also click press fast button. Then we 用直线用。直线下来 OK we next do let the touch go down 大约看一下啊在这个水平在这个好那个等一下啊别忙踩点你先别We now do here, just from start home point, go here, then go here. Here we choose the line. We can change the speed, which set as 3000. Then create a here must choose the here, okay? Then change the 3000 and do line. From here, go line, go here. Okay. We just see from the here is the here point, then go to up, then moving the product use the line. Then you can see it. Here is the wedding start point. We must record. Let the arc on, use the arc on. Then the wedding power is on. Then we let the U exercise turn and then the return. You can see this direction, right? You can see this direction. We choose the here. Record here. Choose the here, this button, and choose the tracking repeat. Then add the swing. Start. Here is start moving, right? We choose the start. Here, set ID. We choose the 1, and the X ID. because this one is 7. You can see the here. 1 is X, Y, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. U is 7 exercise. Also, you can see the here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because our this robot not 4, 5, 6 exercise. Only U is 7. Okay. We now here choose the 7. Left position is here is middle, and this degree you can see this degree, right? From here we about 15 and 15. Okay, we now left you can set as a 15. Now is this, right? And if from set as 15, the turn the direction first turn here. If you change the this and set as this direction first turn here and then turn here. You know, this is must know it. We now set as here. We change the okay. Left speed, the turn speed. We now set as 300. And right speed the same. Choose and the left when you from the middle turn this after return the delay from here, delay then return. Okay, we choose about 100. You must the unit. Okay, then you set as up to the here. Then we after do it. This is is letter U and tracking repeat, right? Tracking repeat. Then we must let the robot from start to which point to end. We only move the X eyes to go to the end point. If we want to end point in the here, start here and here. Okay, we let only move the X eyes. And now we let the moving X eyes has X moving. 你别动，你在看着那个啊。Okay. Now is here. We just start here. We move it here is end. Then also choose the record. Then choose the line. Here, the line speed we must change the value. We choose about 3. Then check it. Okay. Speed we must change the speed because we only slowly move it because here is return, right? Then after do it, we must let the U exercise know this one is end point. We must also choose here and tracking speed and swing stop. We must click here, then choose this and choose tracking repeat and choose the swing moving stop and we just set the 1. And the position you can hit here. We from the U exercise at the 0 point, right? Zero position, and here moving here. Also let the stop the 0, and the stop the speed also choose the same. Just we set the can set the 300 and stop, and we just start. Click here, the left speed and the right speed also 300, right? Then we next, because the wedding is on, because here is wedding end, we must let the wedding power close. We choose the record, then choose the arcade off. Next, we let the touch go up, we move it. Okay, we move it here. Y return, and then choose the fast. Then let the robot go home again. We choose the here. Then to calibrate. Go home. Here is 0, 0, 0. Then choose the program. We choose the fast. Here is the program is finished. We must save it. Next, we learn how to run this program. Okay. We now run it. 开始，从这开始。Start here. Run. Moving. Can speed the moving speed and the turn the speed also can change it.